The Polokwane City head coach, Putsi Mohafe, credited a focused defensive approach as the key to his team's thrilling 1-0 victory over reigning champions Mamelodi Sundowns. The historic win, secured by captain Bulelani Nikani's 82-minute goal, not only avenged City's MTN 8 quarter-final defeat earlier in the season, but also propelled them to fourth place in the standings. This was Polokwane's first triumph over Sundowns in 5 years, and Mohafe was effusive in his praise for his players' grit and discipline at Peter Mokaba Stadium. In his post-match interview with the SuperSport TV, Mohafe emphasized the importance of controlling the spaces the Sundowns' creative midfielders and wing players rely on to dominate games, and said our game plan was to limit the areas in between the defense and midfield, identifying areas where Sundowns playmakers Marcelo Allende and Teshrick Matthews operate and where Tapelo Morena and Aseko Tiwani thrive on the flanks, and said we forced them to go wide and set traps. Once they received the ball out wide, we ensured that our players pounced immediately to break down their flow. Knowing that Sundowns will control possession, Mohafe devised a game plan on defensive discipline and counter-attacks, and said position-wise, we can't match them. So we focused on a solid defensive structure by setting up compact blocks and focusing on countering and capitalizing on set pieces. Polokwane City found the breakthrough they needed. The goal came from one of those set pieces, highlighting the strategic discipline instilled by Mohafe. Reflecting on the team's performance, the coach underscored that his squad's defensive resilience and tactical awareness were key in taking down the defending champions. For Polokwane City, this victory is a significant step forward in their season, proving they have the capability to challenge South Africa's top teams with a balanced blend of defense and calculated offense. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.